pasture-jeunesse yogurt, the only 100% fat-free yogurt naturally sweetened with a touch of honey. Jeunesse from Astro, the naturally simple choice.
If they had said to me, we're doing this clinical trial in New Zealand, that's where I would be now. Because you have a condition that is life-threatening, for certain. So you want to go where you have the best opportunity to make that condition better. This clinical trial was the best opportunity that I had.
Shane's come a long way. He's lost 10 pounds. His body fat has gone from 20% to 12%. It's happening for him. 2, 3. You need a break? Okay. 8 more. All right, that's a break. Ready? Okay. 15 last time. Let's go to 20. Here, kick him out. Say that again.
Oh, you're tired. Hey, girl.
Come on. We all have a few things that we're nervous about our bodies. We have our own self-image issues. He's got some. I'm going to tell you what they are. But I can see him feeling better about himself. And that makes me real happy. I must be going to ask you to hold each repetition for 3. So would you mind doing that times 15? Just like you always do.
Anything?
Thank you. So the first one, in case you're wondering at home what's going on here, the first one is for mass and strength. Strength. This grip right here is a no-brainer. Whenever I put the triangle bar on, it's a no-frickin-brainer. This one is for sculpting, for chiseling, for defining. So we have a whole plan. And
Laila, bring it.
The thing we're going for with him is definition. Sculpting, rough, running, definition. He is something else. He's going to be great. He already is. Can I ask you to pull your shoulders into your shoulders, chest up like a freak,
Tired.
like a sailor.
Wanna play some more?
I don't think he's one of them. I think he's.
I'm gonna play later if you want.
Something else that's
Yeah?
new to him. So that's another thing.
So get it.
You know what I say, right? One before and then after. What do you mean? Why? Why? Do we need to know why you're running? Those germs are filthy, that's why. You know, when it's the most intimate part of your love fest. Those filthy, germ-infested, microbial hands.
Okay, I'll wash my hands.
What's up, Ben?
Okay,
Hey, man, how
let's
are
go,
you?
let's go.
This is my
Come,
friend Shane.
come.
How's it going? I was just telling him you used to wrestle.
Okay, yeah, say goodbye. Laila.
Hal referred me to
Goodbye.
Shane probably, how many, 10 weeks ago? Yeah. Oh, really? Right on. And he's done amazing.